precious than silver, more precious than gold. No riches in the world compared to you. What can this world offer when all I desire is you? That's what you are.
Like, you know that two verse line that was wrong? And then when I thought about it again, I'm gonna die because it's wrong.
So how should we do it? Twice?
So I think you fancy it, like, just add, you know, like, harmony. Like, you know what I mean? Like a nice ending.
That's a hybrid one?
Yeah.
Take that away on my CPT.